What we have now that is different, and I think is the real game changer, is... Hi, I'm Angelo Cavallo. I'm professor at Politecnico, where I teach entrepreneurial strategy and growth. It's in the last 7 years I've been teaching courses on how to design and validate business model, how to build scalable products. I'm currently serving as a co-director for this double degree program. It's a mastery in AI and entrepreneurship together with Albert School. And I also serve as co-director of the executive program on growth managers. The business and the tech world is moving at an incredible speed. We don't pretend to have all the answer internally. It's very important for us to partner with other institutions. We can learn, we can continuously improve, we can also avoid being self-referential, and this is fantastic for us because it gives us the opportunity to deliver the best program. So AI and entrepreneurship are very much connected at the moment. For long, we have been talking about and hearing people always talking about technological twin, right? Product twins, digital twins. What we have now that is different, and I think is the real game changer, is that you are able with AI to create a market twin, which is a completely different story. And so this is fundamental.